Hello, I'm Joanna Goodwin and I'm Head of Delivery and User-Centred Design at the Centre for Digital Public Services in Wales.
Hi there, I'm Jonathan Lazar. I'm a professor at the College of Information Studies at the University of Maryland.
We're here in Cardiff today. We've just finished an event focused on accessibility of public services in Wales. We've had a fantastic turnout from organisations across Welsh public sector. We've had local authorities, we've had social care, we've had third sector, we've had health providers, Welsh Government, arms length bodies. We've had the full range of public services in Wales, which is absolutely fantastic. We started the day off talking about how we're performing at the moment in Wales in terms of how accessible our services are. We then discussed a little bit around the legislation and a little bit around the intent and the ambition for Wales as well. Jonathan then came in and talked very much about the Born Accessible model and the fantastic work that he's been leading across the US and internationally as well, influencing us here in Wales. We had some fantastic interactive sessions today as well. We heard from people sharing their real world experiences. People have that lived experience as well, demonstrating it's not just a tick box exercise or something we should be doing and we can just approach. It really does have to be for people and to improve the lives of people who live, work or visit Wales. Some fantastic conversations today. I feel very personally emotional about it, that there are so many opportunities to make a difference, not only in terms of how we deliver public services in Wales, but those people who rely on those services to have a better experience and overall a better quality of life.
I'm so excited. There are so many people in the room, right? We're passionate about accessibility. We're ready to make a difference. And I really think that the right ingredients of people and knowledge and resources is there in Wales so that going forward, Wales can move towards a more inclusive digital society and making sure that all technologies and websites and documents and software applications are accessible for people with disabilities in Wales. Very excited and looking forward to contributing in any way that I can.
So very much the start of a journey.
Yes, we're going on a journey together.
It's going to be good.